Hi guys, from Barbara and welcome to my ketogenic channel. Guess what? Yes, we are going to prepare an Halloween dish and it will be easy, keto and fun. But before, I wanted to point out how small this t-shirt is. I had to wear another one underneath, but I had to buy it because it has a surprise and you will see it in the outro. So let's go cooking. Let's show you the surprise, and after, instead of the wok, I will post some previous Halloween dishes, so maybe you can have more ideas to celebrate this fun period of the year. Be ready to be scared because these are all the ingredients that you will need to prepare today's spooky keto treats. You will need avocado, then also eggs, and very important, black olives. It's important the color and that you will choose some olives without the seed, seedless olives. Some salt, it's also not necessary, but it will taste better. So avocado, eggs, olives and salt. That's everything you will need, and you will be surprised because this dish will be awesome. Finally, I could open the window so I can show you a little bit of Stockholm. As you can see from the sky, also the day is very scary and spooky, so we are in a perfect mood to prepare this treat for Halloween. Let's start by putting our 2 eggs in a pot and submerging them in cold water. Now it's time to boil them, so we will have the time to prepare the rest of the ingredients. As you know, we don't have a lot of ingredients, just olives and avocado, so I will start with the olives, cutting them in half. I didn't choose the best knife, but it's okay. They are little seedless olives, so it's not a big deal. Then I will go on cutting the avocado and I will show you the perfect technique. After cutting it in half, you can put your knife into the seed with a strong movement, like I just did it. Have you seen it? Amazing. And doing that, your knife will stick into the seed and you will be able to take it out very easily. Isn't that incredible? Now you only have to do some incisions vertically and horizontally, reaching the peel, the inside part of the peel. I watch many tutorials about that, so I think I can do it. Put back the seed in the half avocado that you will not use. If you only need half and you will put the seed back, it will keep the avocado green, it will not become brown. So I will use half today and this will go into the fridge with the seed. And this is what is going to happen thanks to our incisions. The avocado that we are going to use, it's already cut into little and cute cubes. Now we only have to season it with a little bit of salt, and using a fork we can push the avocado and make it into a cream. Wrong plate! As you can see, this plate is too plain and the avocado is jumping outside. I did it to show you better, but it's impossible. I will change it. But what's that noise? Yes, our eggs are starting boiling. So from now we have to count 9 exact minutes. Because to have perfect hard-boiled eggs, they need to boil only for 9 minutes. Not more, because if you boil them too much, they will become gray all around the yolks, and that's not nice to see. And if you boil too little, the yolk will be too liquid for this recipe. So from the starting of the boil, 9 minutes. I've just put next to the pot a bowl with water. This is very cold water. If you don't have very cold water at home, add some ice cubes, because it's the only way to stop the cooking of the eggs immediately after the 9 minutes. And after peeling both eggs, it's time for some fun. I highly recommend you to invest a little money in paper dishes or napkins. They are really cheap, you can find them everywhere, and they will make your meal, your Halloween meal, very special. It's just a little bit that can make a big difference. After peeling the eggs, you only have to cut them in half and take out the yolk, mixing it with our avocado. That's it. It will be the filling of the eggs. It's a truly easy recipe. Hard-boiled eggs, avocado and olives. But the presentation is the most important thing in this dish, because our olives will become spiders. The green yolk will become the grass. And the half olive will become the body of our spider. Then we will use other olives to do the legs of the spider. It's super easy, super fun, and I think you could prepare it together with your kids. They will love to peel the eggs. They will also love to squishing and squashing the avocado together with the yolks, and they will love preparing the spider. So this is a recipe for kids. I love how easy it is and how nice the spiders look. What do you think about it? I will not show you how to prepare the other two because it will be too boring, but it's a super delicious recipe. This is truly 100% keto, and I'm very proud of the presentation too. You can find me with my normal name, Barbara Minati, or with my keto nickname, LCHF_Italian. I'm sure I will love them, and if you have other scary ideas for Halloween, always keto, please write them below. I really hope you like today's scary dish and you will consider subscribing to my channel. So we will meet here every Monday at 2 o'clock Italian time with another keto recipe in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish, and on Friday in Italian. But now the surprise, look! I know! Kids' clothes are the best. I bought it in the I bought it in a kid shop and I'm super happy. What do you think? Isn't that fun? See you next week and thank you all. And now it's time for some trick or treats in Stockholm. As you can see, it's autumn. You cannot change the mood. So let's have fun and keep watching, because now I will post some pictures with new ideas for Halloween.